Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the SkyCiv Standalone Connection Design module, a useful tool for designing and checking steel connections. To get started, launch the Connection Design module from your dashboard. You'll be prompted to choose a design code, unit system, and a connection category. SkyCiv's connection design software supports multiple international design codes, including AISC 36016, both ASD and LRFD, Eurocode 1993-18-2010, and Australian Standard 4100 2020. Today we'll be using AISC 36016 ASD, which has a library of connection types available in the platform. Here we'll select I-shape to I-shape from the category dropdown, then choose a beam to column flange single plate shear connection. If you ever need guidance while working in the module, click the documentation button in the top right. You can also visit skyciv.com/docs and navigate to the connection design section. From there, you'll find useful guides to the module and a list of supported section types. Once you select your connection type, you'll be brought to the main setup screen. Here, your workflow is divided across 4 main tabs: Assembly, Fixtures, Loads, and Analysis. Let's start with the Assembly tab. Assembly is broken into 3 parts: the column, the beam, and the connection plate. You can assign section sizes for each member using standard shapes from the SkyCiv database. The same goes for materials. Either select from the SkyCiv material database or define a custom material with your own mechanical properties. For the column setup, we have selected a W14x90 and are using a standard A36 steel. For the beam, we've selected a W12x14 section, also using A36 steel. We've set a clearance of 0.5 inches between the beam and the column. Coping lengths and depths are left at 0 for this example. Under the Connection tab, we're configuring a single plate assembly. The plate uses A36 steel as well. Plate dimensions are set to a width of 4 inches, height of 9 inches, and thickness of 0.5 inches. Every change you make is reflected in the real-time 3D model preview, giving you a clear visualization of the connection as you build it. After defining your geometry, move on to the Fixtures tab. Fixtures are where you assign how the components are connected together, either using bolts or welds. Fixture 1 is the plate to beam web connection. In this example, the type is bolt, material A325N bolts, diameter 3/4 inch bolts, standard hole type selected, standard holes at the beam, horizontal short slotted holes at plate. Bolt spacing and edge distance are set with 3 inches along the row, 2 inches edge distance, 1.5 inches for both vertical and horizontal edge distances. Fixture 2 is the plate weld to column flange. Type, we're selecting weld. For the weld material, I am selecting E60XX electrodes. Fillet weld size is 5/16 inches or 0.3125 inches. Again, every change you make here is instantly reflected in the 3D model, giving you full visibility on how the components are connected. Finally, navigate to the Loads tab. In this example, we've applied a 20 kit force in the FY direction. Now that the model setup and loads are complete, head over to the Analysis tab. When you're ready, click the Run Analysis button. SkyCiv Connection Design will automatically perform a full set of design checks according to your selected code. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see a clear breakdown of the results. Each check is listed with its corresponding demand and capacity values. A green check mark indicates that the check has passed, giving you quick visual confirmation that your connection satisfies the code requirements. Some examples of the checks performed include bolt group shear and bearing checks, block shear failure checks, single plate yielding and rupture checks, weld strength verification. Each check also shows a demand to capacity ratio, helping you easily assess how close the design is to maximum allowable limits. If you want a detailed report, you can either Click Summary Report for a high-level overview, or select Full Report for a complete breakdown with calculations, references to code clauses, and diagrams. Both reports can be downloaded in PDF format for your records or project documentation. Once your connection is finalized, you can save your project to your SkyCiv account for future reference. You can also view your version history on saved files and share with SkyCiv support or other SkyCiv users. That wraps up our walkthrough of the SkyCiv Standalone Connection Design module. If you have any questions about the Connection Design module or any other SkyCiv modules, feel free to chat with SkyCiv support here. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on this topic. Thanks for watching and happy designing!